World-class luxury hotel, the Delboro Lagos, has been officially launched. It's the first ever luxury brand hotel in Africa to beat some of the top hotel brands in the world. It was constructed by Castle, a renowned company with a reputation as the biggest builders of facades in the world. Their prestigious projects include the London Heathrow Airport, Istanbul Airport and Doha Metro Network in Qatar. The Delboro Lagos is Castle's first and major project in Nigeria and West Africa. Omotayo Araoye was at the grand opening.
Important personalities across Nigeria are here at the grand opening of the Delboro Lagos. Equipped with high technology in the 5 floors and 33 rooms, the Delboro Lagos is the first ever world-class luxury brand in Africa. Former President of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo, and other prominent personalities commend the hard work put into the initiative.
This is good. And God that has given you the ability, the enablement to put this up, will give you the ability and the enablement to put up one that is bigger than this, one that is greater than this.
Please, I want young Nigerians to emulate Stanley Ojosuku. We are here because it's clean and it's doing well, creating jobs for people, not bringing an image problem to this country.
The Lagos story is another story that Delboro is also stamping for us. And what that means is that as soon as we cut this, there will be another young Nigerian somewhere. There will be a young Lagosian somewhere who will need to beat the standard that Delboro has set.
Coming to an occasion like this is a privilege. And I'm happy we will continue to see the success of Stanley and people like him.
Delboro has come to stay, and by the grace of God, one of our major visions is to export hospitality from this part of the world to the outer part. This will drive visitors for a luxury appointment.
When foreigners are coming to Nigeria, they will go on Google and say, which are the best 5-star hotels in Nigeria? Delboro will spring up. Then they will look at the facilities that are top-notch, facilities that are out of this world, facilities that compare with the best hotels in Dubai, in the UK, in the US, in Canada, in China, and at very low prices.
This world-class standard hotel, located at plus 1502 Bishop Aboyadeko Close, Victoria Island, Lagos, does not only offer a unique experience with several distinctive features, but will also help boost tourism in Lagos. Omotayo Araoye, Arise News.